Well, my project started with a Warmoth body that I found on eBay. It's the Telecaster Thinline ash body with a 1/4-inch maple flame top. Here's the back of the body all routed out and ready to go. Notice the nice ash grain. This is an open grain, so I did have to use a filler sealer on the ash. The maple top did not require any kind of sealer. And I purchased quite a few parts on eBay as well as from other online dealers. Fender genuine Telecaster neck, Fender tuners, Fender Noiseless pickups, 57 Gibson Humbucker, Fender American Tele vintage tremolo. Here's a close-up of the little Warmoth turtle logo and the custom etched plate that I purchased. I did do a dry build before I did any of the staining. Notice the F-hole, which makes this a nice light semi-hollow body guitar. The neck is attached. It's a Fender Made in USA neck, 60th anniversary. Then I set up a spray booth in my garage and began spraying on alcohol-based dyes. This is tobacco. I used a Preval portable aerosol system. Worked really well. Sprayed on several coats and sanded lightly in between each coat. You can see it's getting pretty dark. This is, again, the tobacco. Purchased the dyes from a good outfit online called Guitar ReRanch. Again, tobacco and amber alcohol-based dyes. I'm doing a burst effect, but on the back I'm keeping it nice and dark, but you don't really see that. Then what I did is I sanded it back down to the natural maple. That gave it the sunburst effect, but also makes the flame maple grain really pop. Then I sprayed another alcohol-based aniline amber dye on the front. And then a couple coats of Minwax fast-drying polyurethane to seal in the dyes. And that was followed up with about 15 coats of Minwax wipe-on glossy polyurethane, and I was sanded in between with wet dry paper 600 to 2000 grit. Here's the copper shielding that I installed to eliminate RF noise. There's the ground wire going to the tremolo claw. Here are the pickups ready to be installed. Again, there's two vintage Noiseless Fender pickups as well as a classic 57 Gibson Humbucker pickup. Here's the wiring harness that I purchased from TFN Technologies online. 500K pots were used as well as a Fender 5-way switch. There's the wiring harness all installed. And here's the final product. It was actually buffed out with 3M Finesse-It II automotive polish. Flash shot. Here's the so-called dry build and the finished product.